Hello, my name is Gary, and I was raised in the western United States, so I'm a native English speaker. I hope that you will enjoy this YouTube channel. Thank you for joining us.
IELTS writing samples. The flowchart illustrates the production of colored plastic paper clips in a small factory. Molten plastic, red mold, blue mold, yellow mold, quality control machine, check for strength, reject, sort by hand, mixed colors, single colors, quality control, check color mixture singles, packing and dispatch. The flowchart delineates the sequential steps required for manufacturing colored paper clips within the confines of a small-scale factory. In total, the process involves 5 steps, starting from selecting molten plastic material and concluding with packaging and dispatching the finished clips from the factory. Initially, molten plastic is poured into 3 distinct molds, each corresponding to a specific color requirement: red, blue, and yellow. Subsequently, the clips are inspected for strength by a quality control machine as they emerge from the molds. Any clips failing to meet the required standards are promptly rejected. In the 3rd stages of the process, the clips are manually sorted into 2 categories: mixed colors and single colors. Once this sorting is completed, the groups undergo a second inspection to verify that the color mixtures are accurately separated into single color and mixed color batches. Finally, the clips are packed and sent out to the markets for distribution. Molten plastic, red mold, blue mold, yellow mold, quality control machine, check for strength, reject, sort by hand, mixed colors, single colors, quality control, check color mixture singles, packing and dispatch.
The flowchart illustrates how colored paper clips were manufactured in a small factory. The process consists of 5 steps, starting with the selection of molten plastic material and ending with the packing and dispatching of the finished clips from the factory. To start, molten plastic is poured into 3 different molds based on the desired color: red, blue, and yellow. Following this, the clips undergo a strength check using a quality control machine once they come out of the molds. Any clips that do not meet the required standards are rejected. During the 3rd stage of the process, the clips are sorted by hand into 2 groups: mixed colors and single colors. Following this sorting, a second inspection is conducted to ensure accurate separation of the color mixtures into single color and mixed color batches. At last, the clips are packed and dispatched to the markets for distribution.
The graph below shows the average number of UK commuters traveling each day by car, bus, or train between 1970 and 2030. The line graph illustrates the comparison of daily travel by commuters in the UK using 3 different forms of transport over a period of 60 years. It's evident that throughout the depicted period, the car remains the overwhelmingly preferred mode of transport for UK commuters. Additionally, while the usage of cars and trains sees a gradual increase, there is a steady decline in the number of bus users. In 1970, about 5 million UK commuters opted for cars as their daily mode of transport, while approximately 4 million and 2 million people chose buses and trains, respectively. By the year 2000, the number of car commuters surged to 7 million, and rail passengers reached 3 million. However, there was a minor decline of around 0.5 million in the number of bus users. By 2030, it is projected that the number of individuals commuting by car will nearly reach 9 million, and the count of train users is also expected to rise to nearly 5 million. In contrast, buses are anticipated to become a less popular choice with only 3 million daily users.
The line graph shows how daily travel by commuters in the UK using 3 different forms of transport has changed over a period of 60 years. It's apparent that the car stands out as the most popular means of transport for UK commuters throughout the depicted period. Moreover, while the number of cars and train users show a gradual increase, there is a steady decline in the number of bus commuters. In 1970, approximately 5 million UK commuters travelled by car daily, while about 4 million and 2 million people use buses and trains, respectively. By the year 2000, the number of car commuters rose to 7 million, and the count of rail passengers reached 3 million. However, the number of bus users experienced a minor decline of around 0.5 million. By 2030, it is anticipated that the number of individuals commuting by car will nearly reach 9 million, and the count of train users is also predicted to rise to nearly 5 million. However, buses are expected to become a less popular choice, with only 3 million daily users.